As the cryptocurrency space continues to grow and new digital assets emerge every day, the newly created cryptocurrency Pepe has caught the attention of the crypto community, and for good reason, as it has been a huge success, both in terms of price still and their market value. In fact, thanks to the overwhelming popularity of the Pepe the Frog meme created on April 15, the market capitalization of the Pepe cryptocurrency has surpassed $150 million and is still growing, as financial tracking platform Unusual Whales reported on April 19. Like that. April observed as a result of this explosive growth, a Pepe investor turned a $251 investment into millions in just a few days, successfully becoming a millionaire. Investors continue to flock to digital assets, hoping he successful cryptocurrencies that replicate other memes, such as Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. Notably, the investor known as Smart Money spent 0.125 ETH on 5.9 trillion Pepe on April 15, making himself a millionaire, blockchain analytics platform Chain discovered on April 19. Considering the coin's price at press time, the investment is now worth well over $2 million. Whether Pepe can maintain its bullish momentum and continue to moonshot will depend on several factors, including developments and sentiment directly related to it, as well as the general mood of the broader cryptocurrency market and the global macroeconomic landscape.
That's how I stay strong.